Hey guys, welcome to another video on Hot Trades. My name is Blaze. Before we get into things today, I just want to say thank you for all the positive feedback on the last video. We do have some questions from the last video that I want to cover at the end of this video. If you're new to this channel, the purpose of this channel is to scan the market every single day for a top performing stock and find out why it's performing so well. So the stock at the very top of our list today is Piedmont Lithium League, PLL. It's up 236% today. It closed yesterday at $11 and then today it was as high as $54.50 with daily volume of 49 million compared to the average of 2.5 million. Once you see the press release, you understand why it's up so much. Piedmont Lithium soars on Tesla partnership for electric car batteries. Piedmont Lithium PLL on Monday announced a multi-year lithium supply deal with Tesla. Piedmont Lithium stock catapulted on the news. The Tesla pact represents the start of the first domestic U.S. lithium supply chain. Lithium is a key component in batteries for electric cars. Electric car sales have rebounded strongly in China this year and are growing in Europe. Meanwhile, a supercharged Tesla has fueled the rise of several electric car stocks. Separately, in a note Monday, Morgan Stanley's analyst gave a strong lithium outlook. They wrote that 2021 should see lithium's market closer to balance as supply cuts and demand recovers. Under the new agreement, Piedmont will supply 1/3 of its planned production of 160,000 tons per year of spodumene concentrates to Tesla for the initial 5 years. The miners has high-grade deposits in North America. Piedmont Lithium's agreement with Tesla is conditional upon a delivery start date between July 2022 and July 2023. So taking a quick look at the chart, I mean, what do I even say, right? Like, look at this candle. It's up 200 and something percent today alone. Technical analysis doesn't really work well for charts like this just because they move so much. This one specifically is a low float super volatile stock that's up so much already. All I'm gonna say is if you're in this company and you were part of the ride, kudos to you. If you're looking to get it now, please be careful just because it's solely based on market sentiment and it's a pure momentum play, so please be careful. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, there's some questions from the last video that I'd like to cover right now. The first question is from Toba. He's asking if I can make some videos on trading for beginners. Actually, there's some really good content on YouTube already that talks about trading for beginners, so I'm going to post a few links in the description for you. So the next question is from NBL Iron. He's asking, what do you think about SUNW? I guess I lost my money. I guess I lost all my money. Do you think SUNW will go up high again? I somewhat answered this question in the comments section already, but let's take a look at the chart. So just talking to him in the comments section and getting to know his entry price and his price target and whatnot, it seemed like he got in at the $5 level and it backtested all the way down to the $2 level. I was telling him that it had to hold the $2 level, otherwise it could backtest all the way down to $1 something something. And today it held the $2 level and it's back up all the way to $3. So I'm guessing he's still in that position. Thank you guys for tuning into another episode on Hot Trades. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a question, please drop it in the comment section and we'll get to it in the next video. Thank you very much and see you tomorrow.